Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss how to see archived stories on Facebook, which means if you have archived stories on Facebook and if you want to see that stories, then how you can do that. So what you have to do, you have to watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, you have to simply open the Facebook here. After that, what you have to do next is you have to simply click on your profile button here, and after that you have to simply click on your profile. After that, here you can see the three dots under your cover photo, so you have to click on that, and here you can find many options to explore. The first one is follow setting, the next one is account setting, and the third one is archive. So if you click on that, then you can find all the options related to archive. So here are the story archives, so here you can click on that. In this way you can see what are the story archive on your Facebook profile. In this way you can simply visit any archive story and see that. Hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.